Okay, time to test this out, I think. I want to know what's wrong with my bike. I know what's wrong with it. It's the idle mixture is not set properly, or the adjustment. It's cold. When it start up, it sounds kind of okay, but my ear is not trained. I don't know if the idle sounds proper. And it's got a choke. It's a little electronic choke mechanism that they all come with. And it's just sitting here, and you'll see what it does. It's probably going to die after a minute. But what I want to know is the idle too slow? Is it too fast? Does it sound right? Does it sound like maybe I've got problems with the spark plug not being gapped correctly, or maybe something else? I don't know. Now after it warms up a good bit of time, maybe 5 minutes, it'll run okay. At first it always wants to kill at a stoplight. And I know the video was bad because this is a very poor action camera that I bought that works only halfway decent in very bright light conditions. You hear it's hesitating. Is that normal when it first starts? Should it? Should it do that? I don't know. I've never owned one of these before. So, I'd appreciate any advice you guys could give me. As you see, I can give it a little bit of gas. The back wheel is not spinning. It's not, the RPMs are not revved up fast enough to engage the back tire. And I understand that's how you want it when you're at idle. You don't want the tire to spin. Now I know I've got an idle screw adjustment, which I've tried to get correct many times. It does not have an air mixture screw adjustment. If it is built into the carburetor, which I'm sure it is, it's covered by a Welch plug. I can't access it. So let me know what you guys think. I'll put the camera a little closer to the bike, maybe you can hear it a little better. Okay, that's it. Let me know what you think. Thank you.